We will show you what you have to consider before using your iMOW robotic mower for the first time. Your package includes, in addition to the iMOW robotic mower, the docking station, 4 ground pegs, the iMOW ruler, a charging cable and power supply, 6 spare blades, as well as a user manual and a quick guide. For the later installation of the perimeter wire and guide wire, you also require one of our additional install kits. We offer install kits for every garden size, equipped with a wire coil with a sufficient length, fixing pins, wire connectors in varying numbers, as well as 5 cable markers that will help you to correctly match the wire ends during installation. We will use the Bio install kit with biodegradable fixing pins. Keep the necessary tools at hand and remember to use gloves and safety glasses. Before starting the installation of the iMOW robotic mower, you should optimally prepare your lawn for the robotic mower. First, clear all items from the mowing area. Then, cut your lawn to the height you want the robotic lawnmower to mow later. By default, the cutting height of the iMOW is set at 6 centimeters. If the soil is very dry, we recommend that you water it first. In this way, the ground pegs for the docking station and the fixing pins for the wire can be fastened more easily in the ground.